Welcome. In this video, I will show you new features introduced in Photos application on macOS 27. All the new Photos features are related to Apple Intelligence, so make sure that you enable it by going to Apple menu, go into System Settings, then selecting Siri on the sidebar, and turning it on by switching the respective toggle in this menu. And also make sure to set the language of the Siri to your system language, to the same one as your system language. And after that, let's check what we can do, what new we can do in the Photos app. So let's take this photo as an example, and as you can see right now, the Siri will automatically detect the text we have on our photos, and if we tap this down arrow icon next to the text, we can do some intelligent things with it. For example, we can show the address that is printed right here by tapping show address option, and we'll get the exact address of this location. Then we can also add numbers to contacts, and we have some very cool features presented in the new update. So for example, let's check out the old one, which is the cleanup tool. Tap edit, tools, and here we have our old tool, which is cleanup. And now let's clean up driver license, for example, right here. I'm not sure if it will allow me to do so, but let's check it out. Let's make a couple more changes and a bit more, and save changes. Now we also have the extend feature, which looks like this and lets us extend photos to our desired size, like this. Now let's tap extend and wait until the image is generated. And here's what the result looks like. So as you can see, it did a pretty good job. Let's save changes and let's check the reframe feature. So reframe creates a 3D model out of our photo, which lets us adjust the angle of it. Just select the angle that you want to see, and then tap reframe and let the Apple Intelligence do its thing and straighten all the corners and fix all the artifacts that we currently see on the screen. And here's what the photo looks like after the reframing. Tap save changes, done, and that's the final result. So I think we have used up all the features that we could with our Apple Intelligence. So I hope you have a better understanding of what's prepared for us in macOS 27. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.